Hi, Pam Dinner here. I hope you are doing well. I just finished reading a book, Talk Triggers by Baer and Lemin. It's a book that offers complete guide to creating customers through word-of-mouth strategy. And I have to tell you, it totally exceeded my expectations. Jay and Daniel provided what they call 4, 5, and 6 systems. They identify 4 requirements that you can use for talk triggers for your customer to spread the word for you. Then they also identify the 5 different kind of talk triggers that you can use for your marketing outreach. They ended the book with the 6 steps that you can implement to craft your word-of-mouth strategy. According to them, repeatable, differentiated, and relevant word-of-mouth is not a gimmick. It's a business decision. And I 100% agree with that. And they use DoubleTree Hotel as an example. So when you check into the hotel and they provide you a delicious and a warm chocolate chip cookie, that actually surprised a lot of customers. They were like, oh, this is kind of nice. And it provides an opportunity for people to talk about their initial experience of checking into a DoubleTree Hotel. Just a little cookie. On top of that, that little cookie is reasonable, repeatable, remarkable, and relevant. It's relevant to the brand, it fits the brands, and it's also relevant to the customers. On top of it, it's a business decision. Jay and Daniel provide many examples as such in their book. And whenever I read a business book and I try to apply authors' ideas to what I do, with so many examples in the book, I actually share those examples with my team during our 2019 planning. And we used the 6 steps that they suggested, and we dug a little deeper, actually a whole lot deeper, into our understanding of our customers, and also look into the different purchase journey and the touch point that we created for our customers. We want to see what else we can do to create talk triggers for our customers. Again, it's an intentional, planned, and business decision. We'll see how that goes. Not everything we do will be successful, but we want to give it a shot. And here are some memorable quotes actually from the book I want to share with you. Number 1, talk triggers aren't gimmick. They are business choices. And I 100% agree with that. I just shared that with you in terms of what I wanted to do as a part of 2019 planning. And another one I thought that was good is experimenting your business firsthand, just as a customer would, can help you identify potential talk triggers. And I 100% agree with you. It's pretty much walk in your customer's shoes and to identify what you can do actually for them better. And the other one, same is lame. So do something, surprise yourselves and your customers and try to delight them. Check out the book on Amazon. And I have to say, well done, Jay and Daniel, well done. #talk triggers. And all of you are hustling and work hard. Well, take a break sometimes, all right? I hope I will talk to you soon. Bye.